Namar ka jingbam yo kor ki Kmie ki kpa yala ki khun haba ki wanbu NEHU school. Khamtam ki tu ki ba wanbu wan shau de ki arshaka she ki school ba pher ki badon hanong ba Shillong. Kabala ru banbu jingma ya ka jingim ju ki khna school. Namar habadon kanu ka jingja accident le si kala ban wan lam she ka jing ban sau bat kabalong ru kum ka jing pen khen ya ki kerdon an jong ka Motor Vehicle Act. Hakabadang shen nakaliang USP ru uladap ban penmi da ka hukum ba kinu ki basyong arsyaka la kalong ki khna ni kirang ba ki haban phong helmet khnang ban shngan ya ki hi halor ka ka phang ha ka step ar pu nyu trek de ber ki Seng Tremon Sngwbha ba pher bat ka jinga Trei lang bat kinong hikai na ki college ba pher rengkat ki police department kila sam ki kotling kodop da ka bala tho creating safe roads for children bat ha ka ju ka por kila sam ru ki helmet ki katu kan ni ki khna school ki bala wanbu school de ki Kmie ki kpa de ki arshaka klem da pendeng helmet ya la ki khon.
From the ground level, we have been taking this initiative for past 2.5-3 years, working closely with the communities, with children, with the police department, as well as the media. And we are very thankful to our officer, CM, who had released an advisory notification regarding the same. So today was an initiative whereby we distributed few of the helmets to the children.
Baru kita nak ibasyong Khuborjylla ini penonton ya kan helmet. But tunjuk ru kan dia kalau kalap tinggi ba kuno bikin long kita long kata bikin long sengai ke jongki aku kisong kan dia 2 wheelers. But susu but susu kan dia kata yo kepala dia ko mangila ya ini announcement bangila yo ini SP jani is a big thing. Ngalai ba kaladon kan dia jingkala deng kepai ba katu kan ni kepai ba kelas.
Good morning to you all. From our traffic side, we request all the parents to instruct their children to wear helmet for their own safety, because the life is very precious, and if the negligence of the parents, it might be causing harm to their children. So we appeal to all the children, to all the parents, do wear the helmet for their own safety.
Jare, on one.